Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you two ways that you can mask passwords in Python. But before we start on that, remember to hit the subscribe button below. It will take you 1 second. Thank you for doing that. Okay, let's kick off the program. We're going to make a simple password program and we're going to import the Getpass module. Okay, and I'm going to import time here as well, the time module. Right, we're going to create a password program here. Password, whoops. Okay, password. I'll call it enter password. That's a lot clearer. Enter password. Okay, so password is going to be equal to something like what? 1 2 3 A B C. Okay. Right, so this is the password here, and the password is equal to getpass dot getpass. Okay, and we're going to do a conditional. So if the password that the user entered is equal to the password in our program, which is this one here, the program is going to do something. It's going to print password is correct. Okay, and then what we're going to do, we're going to say else. We're going to do an else. So else, a catch-all statement. If the password was wrong, then we're going to print out a message to the user, print wrong password. Wrong password, and we're just simply going to quit the program. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, enter password. Okay, I'm going to enter password for that. That's going to call this program here. So that's going to call this program and run this program. We're just going to save it, and we're not going to run it in idle. I'm going to run it in the interactive shell. So what you need to do is, I've got a directory here called Python, which is in documents. So if you create a directory where you save all your Python programs in, I would suggest you create it in documents. So first what you do is you cd change directory into documents, and then you change directory into this directory so you can run it. Okay, so to run the Python program, it's going to be Python, the name of it, and just 1 second, I've forgotten the name of the program that I'm going to run, d.py. Okay, so and the name of the program, which here is d.py. Okay, we're going to run this. Okay, so the password, I'm going to type in 1 2 3 A B C, and you will notice that you can't see anything in here. So that's normal. So let's just hit enter. Okay, password is correct. Let's run the program again, d.py. Let's enter the wrong password now, just any old thing will do. Hit enter, wrong password, so there you go. Okay, this is the second example using password input. So first of all, import password input module into here. Okay, I'm going to create a function called enter password. Do this again. Enter password. Okay, so password is equal to password input dot password input. Okay, and now, whoops, we're going to assign it to a prompt, and the prompt is going to be the message enter password. Okay, so that's the prompt. Let's just make that look a little bit nicer there. Okay, and the mask, what we're going to mask the password with, you can mask it with anything. At the moment I'm just going to show you asterisks, so we're going to mask it with asterisks here. Okay, so we've got that, and again we're going to give it a password. So I'm going to say password is equal to Dave. Okay, so that'll do. That's just our password, random password there for you. Okay, now we're going to do the conditional. So if password is equal, this is our entry, is equal to the password that we've set, we're going to do something. Basically print, let's have a look, correct password. Okay, or else if we're wrong or anything else, we're just going to print another message to the user, incorrect password. Okay, and again we've got to call the program, so I'm going to call it using enter password. Okay, then all we've got to do is save it, and again I'm going to run this program from the terminal, and the reason being is, I'll just show you. Let's just run it from the module. Let's run it from inside idle. Okay, right, we can still use it, but it's not going to mask the password. So if I type in a password like Dave, okay, we're going to get correct password, but it's not masked the password. So what we have to do is we have to run it in the terminal. So we're just going to call it Python d.py. Let's run the program. Okay, so I'm going to enter the password Dave. So there you go. Those are the asterisks there. Okay, again, correct password. Let's run the program again. Python d.py. Just type in any old random stuff here. Like that. Okay. Incorrect password. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. So I hope that's been helpful to you, and remember to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much, and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.